The Michelangelo copper frying pan set with lid offers two useful sizes. You get an 8-inch and a 10-inch skillet, and each has its own lid. These pans aim to make cooking easier. The non-stick surface helps food slide right off. This means less sticking and simpler cleanup for your household. You can cook eggs or even sear steaks with ease. This Michelangelo copper frying pan set with lid features a ceramic non-stick coating. This coating is non-toxic, as it is free from PFOA and PTFE. The copper color gives a touch of beauty to your counter. The pans heat quickly and evenly. This helps you cook food properly without hot spots. The bottom of the pans is designed for induction cooktops, and they work on gas and electric stoves too. Overall, the Michelangelo copper frying pan set with lid seems like a practical choice. It offers two sizes for different cooking needs. The non-stick surface is a plus for everyday meals. While it might not perform miracles, it should handle common cooking tasks well. The inclusion of lids is helpful for simmering and keeping food warm. For basic household servicio, this set could be a good pick. Durability will depend on how you care for them, but they feel reasonably sturdy for the price. Pros: non-stick coating, scratch resistant, ceramic and titanium, healthy cooking, non-toxic, PTFE and PFOA free, heats quickly, heats evenly, glass lids, cool handles. Cons: non-stick may degrade over time, can be scratched easily, may not handle high heat well. Uneven heating reported. Handles can get hot. Some find it not worth the price. Coating may flake off. Hand wash recommended. Durability of coating questioned. Mixed opinions on non-stick. Ability features. Brand: Michelangelo. Type: frying pan set. Includes lids. Material: copper. Coating: non-stick. Material: ceramic. Toxic free. Non-toxic, cooktop. Induction. This Michelangelo frying pan set has two pans, 8 and 10 inches, and they come with lids. The pans are made with a copper look and have a non-stick ceramic coating inside, which means food should not stick easily. These pans are also made without toxic materials. You can use them on all kinds of stoves, even the induction type. This Michelangelo copper frying pan set includes 8 inches and 10 inches non-stick skillets with lids. The pans have a ceramic and titanium coating that is designed to be non-stick and scratch resistant for healthier cooking, as it's non-toxic and free of PTFE and PFOA. They are made to heat up quickly and evenly and come with glass lids and cool handles. However, the non-stick might wear out. They can scratch, and might not be great for very high heat. Some users have reported uneven heating and handles getting hot, with mixed opinions on whether they are worth the price and concerns about the coating flaking. Hand washing is recommended, and the overall durability of the coating is questioned by some, leading to varied experiences with their non-stick ability.